Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Geo Knowledge Revamped. Today in this video we will study about the last two major physical divisions of India. These are the Indian desert and the island groups. We have two groups of island. We have Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. Some important features of the Indian desert are like this. It is located on the western side of the Aravalli Hills. Because of this location, the area receives very less rainfall. If you have not seen the video where I have discussed about the climatic condition of India, please see that video, because in that I have explained why this part of India does not receive rainfall. So the amount of rainfall received is often less than 15 cm in a year. This makes the area very dry, which can support only thorny bushes. So vegetation cover is very less in the region. Less number of rivers flow through the region. Most of the rivers are observed only in the rainy season. During the other time of the year, the rivers are lost. Luni is the most important river that we can see flowing in the area. The surface is covered with sand dunes of different size and shapes. Barkans are the most important type of sand dunes which we can observe here. Because of all these conditions, the area is not suitable for human settlement. So we see low density of population in the region. The first group of island about which I will tell is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. They are bigger in size when they are compared to Lakshadweep. They are more in number and scattered. That means the area covered by them is large in comparison to Lakshadweep. There are total 572 islands. The group of island can be divided into two on the basis of location. The northern part is called as Andaman, the southern part is called as Nicobar. The headquarters of these islands is located at Port Blair. These islands are located very close to the equator, therefore they experience equatorial type of climate, and because of equatorial climate we also observe a very rich biodiversity. They have volcanic origin and they have an elongated shape. The second group of island is Lakshadweep. These islands are located in the Arabian Sea and quite close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. There are 36 islands in total. Earlier all these islands were called as Lakkadweep, Minicoy and Amandeep. But later on they were all combined together under Lakshadweep. The total area covered by all these islands is 32 square kilometer. The administrative headquarters of these islands is located at Kavaratti, and these islands are composed of corals. We will study about corals in detail in the next slide. They have an atoll shape which is circular, unlike Andaman Nicobar Islands which are elongated. These islands also are rich in biodiversity. So what are corals which have formed the Lakshadweep? Corals are microorganisms which live for a very short period of time. They secrete limestone, and when they die they leave behind that limestone which becomes hard and takes a shape of an island. So these Lakshadweep islands have formed by the hardening of that limestone which was secreted by the microorganisms, and the process is still going on. These organisms live in colonies, that means they live in group. They are normally found in warm tropical region, and the water should be clean and it should maintain a particular temperature. many rivers which are flowing into the sea or the ocean create a condition where corals cannot survive. So normally the coral reefs are found in the region where not many rivers are flowing down into the sea, because if rivers are flowing into the sea, they will deposit sediments and those sediments will not allow the survival of corals. So we know that there are lesser number of rivers flowing into the Western Ghats through the coast and then reaching the Arabian Sea. Therefore, the area is more suitable for the survival of corals. There are three types of coral islands found on the earth. We call them as fringing reefs, barrier reefs and atolls. Fringing reefs are those islands which grow directly from the shoreline. They are very close to the land. Barrier reefs are linear reefs which are found parallel to the shoreline. They do not have much of gap, but they are separated from the mainland through lagoon. Atolls, they follow a circular shape. They are quite far from the mainland and they have a lagoon in the center. Lakshadweep has an atoll shape. Here we can see some images of corals. Most of the time they are white in color because of the limestone or calcium carbonate, but they are often seen in red color, and when they are underwater sometimes they are greenish also in color. In this video I have covered the last two major physical divisions of India, the Indian desert and the island groups. We have come to know that they are absolutely different from each other. The desert receives minimum rainfall, the islands receive heaviest rainfall. The desert has scanty vegetation, the islands have rich growth of vegetation. They are different from each other, even then they complement each other. That's why we say that India has unity in diversity. I hope you have watched my other two videos also, wherein I have discussed about the four major physical divisions of India: the Himalayan mountain ranges, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau and the coastal plains. Please watch all these videos together. These will help you to prepare for any competitive exam. I hope you are following me on my Facebook page. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos of this kind and I grow in this sector. Thank you so much. Take care.